most northern. So we're going to skirt around the edge of the town. I think I'd give off and push. Big drop, so you just have to be very, very careful. But it's worth doing. So where are we going? Whoa. We'll try the farm then, eh? Because if it's busy, then at least you've got plenty of time still, haven't you? Well, you choose. I'll let you choose. We'll go to the pub food. The pub food is gorgeous. Is it? Oh, okay then, yeah. You just sold it to us, yeah. And also the beer. Oh yeah. Depends what you like. Ale. You know, see, I like Low's Water Gold. Is my favourite, and it was initially brewed here. This is the place that was created initially. I've never seen a coach on here. Is it? Yeah, it shouldn't be here. How the hell did it get round all of this? Has it done that? Well, I would think. What was that, son? I think everybody else had to. So he's lucky it's not busy. So you can see how wild it is up here, this road. Wow. Never been at that age either, Marcus. Yeah, it will be. Which is probably one of my favourites, is Crummock Water, and the third would be Low's Water, but a lot smaller than all the others. Wow. Buy everybody lunch with